So guys, mato sa David Harlison Ace for 2 na Mandawi. So dari crossing the supermarket, then after that market. So mulabang lang ta guys. Okay, mura nilapas man to sa atong sakyan diniha. Muna siya Macdo guys. So we were actually invited sa arts, no? So may bawa na to later unsa ang arts. Ngano na siya sulod sa David Harlison. Is it connected sa motor or sa? So for information guys, ang David Harlison is actually sikat na siya, international siyang motor. Pa siyang metro for market. Magiyan na to ang Matias. Paborito sa tanan. Matias guys. Tara. Nakakao naman tanan dere. So dere guys, makita na sa dalan murag signage niya sa motor Harley Davidson cycles. So sa hilig di agkuan mga sakyanan, or kasi nagagamit ang mga David Harlison Harley Davidson mas motor, comment below. Yeah, guys, ano siya.
We were awarded way back 20. There's a plot as the champion best dealer in the Asia emerging market. And this year we hope to regain it. We just have hiccups with, on challenges, factors beyond our control, like the economy in the Philippines, and everything that's coming out now, all the issues in the country.
You see this is 2 wheels, right? And from my understanding that we are the only dealers that sell 3 wheelers for Harley. Harley have 3 wheelers, right? Unfortunately we can't show you because it been sold something like a month ago. Yeah, and we the only dealers that selling the 3 wheelers.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
In the world.
Yeah. No. I mean in Philippines.
In the Philippines.
Yeah.
Right.
The
The truck, the freewheeler, these all the 3 wheelers.
It's very hard to sell.
Yep, and we got award on that for the best. I think the most 3 wheelers sold in Philippines. And not many dealers in Asia also sell as much as us.
So from here, with art and all, what else would you like to do in the next, let's say, 5 years for Harley Cebu?
Harley, to grow the community. As we all say, Harley is a lifestyle. We want to continue to present to the Filipinos opportunity to enjoy their lives. Not only have we built communities, but we have built stronger family bonds. I tell you stories. There was a couple who was always fighting with each other. But because of Harley, the bond, they become stronger. No, they were in the verge of breaking up already. But because of Harley, they ride together. They go into, like what you said, they go in adventure. They go cross boundaries. They have, ever since the couples, they have, their love has been so much stronger already, and the community there is also supporting them.
And
then there's also a father and son. Father and son. So for me, that's the reason why Harley dealership is beyond beyond just selling bikes or beyond.
Building
It's actually
relationships.
touching lives. Using Harley to touch the lives of so many people.
To strengthen family values.
Yes.
Strengthen family values, strengthen art, strengthen brotherhood.
It's not so. I always tell my people that we call it the kick-ass experience.
Big ass experience.
Wherein I think in marketing parlance they call it the customer delight. But we call it in Harley the kick-ass experience, wherein you will have the greatest experience of life. It's like you go to a Disneyland, you go to our dealership, you are like in a toy world where all your dreams come true.
Thank you very much. It was so good.
So nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice conversation.
You know, I enjoyed this better than with the big group the last time.
Last Wednesdays.
You are lucky because you have heard of
I know,
me
I know,
speaking.
Yeah. Last Wednesdays, too big group. You
Too
know?
big, yeah, too big.
But
Well, I could have wanted to join that because I
We
could
have
have shared. But
many members and they came like alone. They don't know anyone. Like Mash. When Mash, he's a Japanese. When he came here, he doesn't know anyone. So he messaged me.
Yes.
I was the manager at that time for Harley. And then now look at him. He's like
Very active.
our community
Malaysian,
is we
mix.
we are not, we don't discriminate.
No.
There are other groups that they discriminate, but for us here, one of the things that we take into consideration is always that whoever you are, wherever you are, what status you are in this world, we have that respect. And we also tell our community that we respect each other.
Yeah, because it's more it's a lifestyle, a culture. It's beyond everything.
But it's very hard to control that because all our members they have very high pride.
Harley Davidson of Cebu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, kata. That's it.
Okay, sige.
Sige, sige. Sige, sige.
I am Regan King, the dealer principal for Harley Davidson of Cebu and Davao. And this year is our 10th year anniversary for Harley Davidson of Cebu. And in celebration of our 10th year, we decided to come up with very limited edition bikes, partnering with artists. No? To see the endless possibilities of a collaboration between the art and Harley Davidson. So with Anthony Fermin, Anthony is a Cebuano also, known artist also here in Cebu. So I asked him, he's not a rider, but I told him can you put your artwork in a bike showing the Filipino culture? So that's why he called it Strings of Home. So if you can see his artwork, it pairs with portrait because I inspired him that do something that somebody who would own this bike will be putting in his living room as a talking piece. No? So we see here the guitars, the Santo Niño shrine, and everything showing the Cebuano heritage and in a fun way. So these are the works you see there, mangoes, the guitar, everything. So this is the inspiration of Anton. So definitely he pulled off the challenge that I gave him.
So sir, this painting is for sale?
Both, it comes together.
It comes together.
Because the concept here is that you have your bike and you have a painting at the back that pairs together. At the same time, they can also be separated individually. If you take out the bike, it will stand out as a very nice art piece. And the bike also, without the painting, is an art. But combined together, they complement each other.
Exactly. Sir, is it okay ba to mention the price or ari na lang diretso? Unsa man?
You know, art pieces are always an artist's value.
Okay.
So whoever is interested, feel free to ask because the price is actually based on Anthony Fermin's art. I would like to invite everyone to feel free to see personally. These art pieces are better appreciated to see for yourself. Videos and pictures that justify them. When you see the real art piece, then you will realize and appreciate more. And feel free to visit our webpage www.harleydavidsonofcebu.com or our Facebook page at Harley Davidson of Cebu.